Bring the next one down slowly.
These three over here are ready for transport. Make sure they are tagged before noon.
Looks spot on.
Tablet confirms the flow rate is optimized. Look at them go.
Great, let's move it to the next section.
Looks good. Still enough here for the day.
Everything is running smoothly now. They have plenty to drink.
Is optimal. Moving on to the next pen shortly.
Okay, the ligament feels strong. Comparing the scan now. Data looks good.
System looks good, water pressure is steady. Over there.
Almost done, they look great.
Yeah, ready for their close-up.
Work it in gently at first, then you can really scrub those curls clean.
Rinse cycle engaged. Confirming zero soap residue at the drain traps.
Easy now, almost dry. You're looking good.
Confirmed. 001.
All right, keep them moving.
Yeah, send the next batch through. Gate's clear.
Okay, tilt it back slightly. Got it. Watch the leg here.
Keep that line straight.
All right, I'm almost done with this one. The quality of this wool is exceptional this year. We should get a good price for this lot.
Careful with that one. Bring it to the sorting table now.
This section here is prime. Keep the color consistent.
All right, moving the bellies now. Got the next one ready?
Okay, push it in.
The hot, soapy water is essential to release the lanolin and dirt from the raw fibers.
Temperature holding steady at 180. Wool looks good. Perfect, keep it running.
The alignment looks perfect on this batch.
Yes, the combs are working smoothly today.
Batch 42, spooling complete. Quality check nominal.
That's the blue order finished.
Perfect. I'll take these over now.
The automated feed is running smoothly at 95% capacity. No issues with the twist ratio.
The spinning machine operates at high speed, steadily winding the fine wool fibers onto the bobbin.
We're maintaining a consistent layer here. Just a minor adjustment to the dispenser. to ensure even coverage across the whole skin.
Another one done? Yes, that machine makes it easy. Temperature looks stable, all within range.
Looks good. All the salt is gone.
Perfect, let's move it to drying.
Make sure the skins are fully submerged before the next cycle.
Roger that. The crane is moving now.
Rotation count is steady at 0025. We are clear for the next cycle.
The viscosity seems correct for this batch. Keep monitoring the temperature. The automated system ensures the hide is carefully maneuvered to preserve the delicate wool fibers before the drying process begins.
The humidity levels in Sector 3 are stabilizing faster than projected.
Good. We can increase the airflow by 5% here.
We use the wide toothbrush to gently lift the fibers, restoring that natural softness after the tanning process.
Notice the crimp and the resilience. This indicates a premium grade, provided the leather passes the flex test.
We fold the corner to test the flexibility, then check for excessive shedding. This one passes with flying colors.
1.25 millimeters, 1.23 millimeters, 1.26 millimeters, 1.24 millimeters.
We need 3 more of the large creams on aisle 4.
Yes, that is perfect. The precision is unmatched.
This computerized machine ensures the spacing is perfect every time, creating a seamless bond along the leather edge of the sheepskin rug.
The finest sheepskin, stitched with absolute precision.
The leather is supple and the wool density is perfect.
This machine can handle 3 colors at once, creating the perfect blend for the new sweaters.
It's really moving now. We should be able to finish the whole batch today.
Good. The deadline is tight on this one.
The fabric is smooth and even. It passes inspection.
The precision on these sleeves is perfect. We can start the next batch now.
We use only the finest merino wool, sewn with meticulous care. This is the heart of the garment.
Seams are tight, the fit is excellent, and the softness is superb. Final approval granted.
Every sweater is inspected and folded by hand to ensure perfect condition upon arrival.
The softness is just right, and the stitching holds up well. Another perfect blanket.
The efficiency is up by 20% this quarter.
Scan confirmed. All finished goods accounted for.
Safe travels, see you when you get back. All right, gentlemen, let's head inside.